price for the Super Tech DEF 2.5 gallon is $7.88. And then you have the blue DEF here, I guess more name brand. It's 2.5 US gallons as well, but the price is $12.47. Welcome to my channel. This is Coco's Journey. First of all, I want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed, liked, and made comments on my first and second video. I would like to give a special shout out to God, my mother, Anthony, Mark, Cece, and last but not least, Chase and Andrew Jackson. If you guys didn't see my Chase and Andrew Jackson authority questionnaire video, the link is in the description box below. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and comment on this video. I really do hope you enjoy my content. I will be posting several videos per week. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a blessed day. Right now, as you guys can see, I am pumping my own fuel. And fuel at this location I was at was around $2.09. So with that being said, I spent about $200 to fill up my day cab tractor. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, you guys. Koko's journey.